Hello student, here we comes with the pronouns table. Let's define the pronoun. What is a pronoun, right? We take an example, that is Ali watched a movie, right? Uh, if we replace Ali with he, so he would become a pronoun. In fact, a pronoun is used in place of a noun, right? So he would become he watches a movie. Ali watches a movie, and if we remove the noun Ali and we replace it with the he would become the pronoun, right? So pronoun in fact is a word which is used instead of noun. Let's come to the pronouns table, and without understanding the pronoun we cannot write and read and speak correct English. Now we will discuss this pronoun table with the help of these columns. We have 6 columns. Column 1 person, column 2 number, column 3 gender, column 4 nominative case, column 5 possessive case, column 6 objective case. First comes the person's column at the extreme right. Now first person pronouns are I and we. When we say first person, we in fact want to say that the pronouns that we use for ourselves when we talk, like I watch a movie, or I play a cricket. When we say we are many friends and I use we say we play cricket, right? So again, we include ourselves in that. So I and we are the first person. All those pronouns which are used by the speaker for himself are called the first person pronouns, and I and we pronouns are called the first person pronoun. Now we come to the second person pronoun. You is a second person pronoun, right? And you has many manifestation of the forms you, your, yours, and you. We are discussing that all. Now come the third person pronoun. When we say the third person, it means that those whom we are talking about and they're absent, right? When we say he is going abroad, she is going to be the topper of the class, it has been purchased by millions of dollars. So these all are the pronouns, these all are the pronouns which we use for the person who are absent, right? So it's a third person. Now come to the second column. Trying to understand number. We want to say by second column we want to say, and we want to identify those pronouns which are used as a singular pronoun and as a plural pronoun. By third column we meant to say that which are those pronouns which are used as a masculine gender and which are used as a feminine gender and which are used as a common gender for both of the genders, right? So now we are coming to the column number 4, the nominative case. What is nominative case? Nominative case pronouns like I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are almost 7 pronouns, and they all are used as a subject of a sentence, right? Like we say, I purchased a watch. We watched a movie. You played well. He studied a lot. She went abroad. It performed well, and they went outside. So these all are used. These all nominative case pronouns are used as subject of a sentence. Now we come to the last, the last column, objective case. These pronouns like me, us, you, him, her, it, them, these all pronouns are used as object of a sentence, right? And we use it mostly in the passive voice. Like for example, I purchased a watch. A watch is purchased by me, right? So we use it as a object of a pronoun or as object of a sentence. Now comes to the possessive case. Possessive case pronouns are my, mine, our, ours, your, yours, his, her, hers, it's their. These all pronouns of the possessive case are used either as a subject of a sentence or as an object of a sentence. Now, we are going further into the detail of the pronouns. Now, come to the nominative case I. Nominative case I pronoun is first person pronoun. It is used for singular person only, right, for ourselves, and it is common. Common mean that a male uses I for himself as well as a female uses I for herself, right? So it's a common gender and it's a singular number, right? And it is used as a nominative case as a subject of a sentence, right? Now we come to the we. We is used as a nominative case pronoun. First, we is a first person pronoun. We is used as a nominative case pronoun, thereby means it is used as a subject of a sentence, right? It is used both by masculine and feminine. It is used both by male and female for himself or herself, and it's a plural number, right? When we use it as a subject when the subject is more than one person, so we use it as a plural or as a number. So we come to the second person. Second person pronoun is you. Nominative case, you is used as a subject of a sentence, and you is a common number. It is used by male and as well as by female, right? And the gender is also common, right? Number is also common and the gender is common. The number is singular as well as plural. It is nominative case. It is used as a subject of our, and it is used as a singular person as well as a plural person. Take an example of singular as well as plural person. We say you played well when we are talking about just one person, right? Even if we talk about a team, we say you all guys played well. Again, we use it for the plural also. So we use it for singular as well as plural number. It is common gender. We use it for male as well as for female. Now we come to the third person. I told you by third person I mean those who are absent and we are talking about them, right? So all those pronouns that we use is for those people whom we are talking about and they are absent. These all pronouns are called third person pronouns. Now we have 16 third person pronouns. Again, we are going to discuss it clearly. Now come to the table. Nominative case, he is a third person pronoun. It is used for a singular person or a single person, and it's masculine. It is used for a male, right? So he is a third person singular number, masculine gender pronoun, and nominative case used as a subject of a sentence. Now come to she. She is a nominative case, means it is used as a subject of a sentence. It is a third person, yes. It is used as a singular, yes, it's singular, used for singular person, she. And it's a feminine gender. By gender, it's only used for the female, right? Now, it pronoun, it is again nominative case, used as a subject of a sentence, right? And it is neutral gender, used for both, and it is used for singular, right? And it's again a third person. Now the last pronoun, that is they, it's a third person pronoun, right? It's a common gender, means we use it for male as well as for female, and it's a plural number, thereby means when we talk about the people, right, more than one person, and they're absent, and we're talking about them, we would use they, right? Instead of their name, we use it. So it's a nominative case pronoun detail. Now we come to the possessive case. Possessive case pronouns shows ownership, right? And these are used as subject of a person as well as object of a person, right? When we come to my is again a possessive case. Its gender is common, its number is singular, used for singular person, and it's a third, it's a first person pronoun. Our again is possessive case pronoun, means it is used as singular as well as plural of a noun, and it's a nominative case, used as a subject of a sentence, and it's a common gender. It is used by male, female, both for themselves, and it's used number is plural, used by more than one person for themselves, and it's first person, right? Similarly, possessive case is mine and ours. It shows the possession. Like I give you the example of mine and ours. This book is mine. This house is ours, right? This book is yours. This book is his, hers, it's theirs. So these are used as a possessive case pronouns and as an object of a sentence. It shows the ownership. Similarly, these possessive case pronouns, my, our, your, his, her, are used as a subject of a sentence. It shows the ownership, right? Now, when it comes to the objective case pronoun, these are the pronouns which are used as an object of a sentence, and especially in the active and passive voice. And when you convert it into the passive voice, it becomes these sort of pronouns, right? So these were the detail of pronouns table today. Thank you.